Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make paper envelope. Ashish Lumba commented me that can you show how to make a paper envelope. So this video is for them who don't know how to make paper envelopes. It's very easy. So you can make paper envelope without glue, tape and scissors at home. And make sure the paper you took should be the length should be 20 centimeter and the width should be 20 centimeter. It can be either color paper or white paper. So guys, first you need to fold the paper like this, like how I am folding. And then guys, you need to open the paper and then fold it like this on the other side. Do it how I am doing, alright? So this is also done. And now guys, you need to open the paper like this, and then over there you need to take one point of the side, and then you might see there are like four lines. So in the center part over here you need to fold it and keep it till the center like this, and do the same for the other side like how I did. And now from the top side over here you need to fold it this side. So let's do it. Done like this. It's your product must be like this. And then you need to take out the open flap like this, and the other side where we didn't do that you need to keep it like this till the end point of the other side like this. Do like this, and then open the flap again of that side and then fold it from the side like this. Over here one line might be created over here, and then you need to fold it like this and then open it and then do the same for the other side, this side, like how I am doing. And then open the other side also, and then you need to take the top part where you just folded and then take it till this part. There will be one more line over here, and then you need to over there you need to okay. And then you need to fold it from this side like this and from the second side. And then guys, the folds you made, right, you need to open those folds. You even need to open this fold that you made like this one, and then over here there might be a like collapsing one, and then you need to fold it like this, fold it like this, and then do the same for the second side like this. And then guys, you need to take this part which you folded just now till the top where it can like go in the, it will go probably in the middle like this. So guys, now after this is done, so you need to take this part and then you need to keep it over here, and the second part also over here. So then it will be done like this. As you can see, it will be done like this. See this guys, it's a letter like ready. And now you can take this one and then send it over here like this, and it's done. And then guys, to decorate this envelope, now this envelope is complete, so do tell me in the comments box if it worked for you or not. So if it didn't work for you, then you can like use glue and do it. So here I'm gonna keep it in the middle, angry bird, and block this. Isn't this wonderful? You can like change its place or ways because it's a sticker. Isn't it wonderful? And now you can like write some letter or you can just like keep inside some paper. Like I'm doing this is one paper I have and now this is gonna be my letter. And this will be sent to whom I want it to be sent. This is the DIY envelope I made. Do comment in the comments box how is it looking. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon that you will get all the notifications of my videos at the first. So I made so many crafts today. Please subscribe my all in worlds channel. Stay tuned.